In this video, you'll learn how to edit or change the footer on Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to customize the footer of your campaign to better fit your branding and messaging. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once you arrive at the homepage, you will see the login area. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials and click the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where various options are available. Next, locate the Create button on your dashboard. This button is usually prominently displayed, often at the top of the screen. Clicking on Create will present you with various options for creating campaigns. Choose the option to replicate an existing campaign, which allows you to modify a previously designed campaign easily. After that, find and select the replicate option next to the campaign you wish to edit. This action will create a copy of the selected campaign and you will be taken to the campaign editing interface. Here you will see the new campaign listed and you can start making changes. Once this appears, click on the Edit Design button to enter the design editing area. This button is typically located near the top of the editing interface. After clicking, you will be taken to a screen where you can customize various elements of your email, including the footer. Now scroll down to locate the footer section within the email design. Click on the footer section to select it. This action will highlight the footer area, indicating that it is ready for editing. You will see options to modify the text, links, and any other information displayed in the footer. Next, edit the text within the footer as desired. You can change the wording, update links, or adjust any other details. Ensure that the information you include is accurate and reflects your brand. After making your changes, review the footer to confirm that it looks correct. If you wish to change the logo in the footer, you can do so at this point. Look for the logo option within the footer section and click on it. You will have the opportunity to upload a new logo from your computer or select one from your existing images. After selecting or uploading the logo, verify that it displays correctly in the footer. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes made to the footer, look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the design interface. Click Save to ensure all your edits are retained. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of your campaign, this may take a moment. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.